Hello everyone, welcome to CodeHunger, and in this video we will see how you can integrate Firebase Realtime Database with the Laravel without using any of the packages. Because in most of the videos or integration we will try to show you all the things without using any package, because the part is, as I have already told, that if you use any of the packages for a time being, maybe it will reduce your time, but in case of a longer period it won't be good. Because see, Laravel upgrade is coming every year, but if your package won't get upgraded every year, then definitely you have to rewrite the code at that moment when your package get deprecated. Okay, so let's start the video. So the first thing is, definitely you have to create a project. So for that thing you have to go to your Firebase console, log into Firebase console. I have written all those things in the blog here, but please see the video till the end so that you will understand all the thing, and then you can come to my blog and do this the copy paste part, or you say that you can take the code from my blog and try it from your side. Okay, so the first thing will be, we have to create a project. So I have created a project named as Firebase Database. Okay, then the second and important thing which you need to store the data here is that thing. You have to click on this setting icon and then project setting, and when you go here in the integration, sorry, not the integration, services, accounts, actually we need the database URL. So that's the thing I am finding out. So yeah, so to get your database URL, what you have to do, create the project, and then this URL will be automatically created. So just copy that URL and go to your project and just paste it in this manner, the way I have done it. Okay, the same thing I have written here as well. See, get the URL and then set up in your project, right? So same thing I have done in this project as well, where I am showing this thing. The only thing is that here I have just take the Firebase URL, Firebase. Okay, sorry. So the part is the same thing I am doing here. So the only thing which is different is that the name. Here I am using Firebase database URL, and here it is also Firebase database URL db URL. Okay, so I have to correct this part. I here use as Firebase db URL in case of env. So I will update this code. Okay, fine. And then okay, so this is a small thing which I have to fix. Okay, so let's move ahead. So the next thing is, definitely when you get that URL, now the other thing is to store data on your Firebase project, right? So for that thing you have to add this small code to store the data, right? HTTP post, and then call this URL, this Firebase database URL, and here I am passing as users.json, which means it will save the data as a users. See, I have already saved one data here. See, so it is saved as users. So for you guys, let's change it as CodeHunger, and let's make this name as subscriber, and email will be john@codehunger.in. Okay, and here I am getting the response. So we just have to hit this URL, and this will be saved as document on the Firebase. Okay, so to run this to run this one, what we have to do, we have to hit Firebase/store. Okay, so this is already running here actually, so just we have to do this part, Firebase/store, localhost 8000, then Firebase/store. So when you will hit the URL, definitely what will happen when you hit the URL, it will come here, and then it will hit this controller function which is store, right? So under store our business logic is written here, and it will execute the Firebase code. So now you can see there is a coming as a certificate problem. This is not because of my code, this is because of my antivirus. So I have to disable it. Okay, now just retry it. Okay, So now we get the response from the Firebase, right? And the data is now being saved on the Firebase. Let's go and see there. So just refresh this page. Okay, so you can see that here a new array is created as CodeHunger where the data is being saved. Okay, so now the other thing I have also written that, for example, if you want to fetch the data, right? So for simply paste this function here, and if we want to take the data from the CodeHunger.json, so simply paste CodeHunger.json, add one route I have already written here. Just copy this and paste it here. So you can see the data is being fetched from the CodeHunger.json file. So the one thing which I wanted to tell you, that I think this will be much more useful and much more will good when you are creating APIs. I think in case of API it will be definitely good. So I think now you have understood how easy to create database over the Firebase. And on the other side, if you have any confusion, you can add the comment. And if you like this simple and the easy video, then please subscribe the video, like the video and share with your friends. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you, that I will also try to push this code on the GitHub, so that you guys won't have to do the copy paste and all those things. You can just simply pull the code from the GitHub and just check it in your computer. Okay, thanks. So for today this is it. We will meet next day with the next new video. Till then, bye bye.